Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a Dollar Tree haul to share today. I had to shut the door. This is just what I picked up at Walmart. Just some safety pins. I needed that. I had to fix my son's mask because he went shopping with me and he overstretched the elastic, so it popped. So I had to put the elastic back together. But anyway, this was only $1. And then I picked up 3 packs of the Ferrero Rocher. Not gonna say what for, but yeah, you know, it's always good to have chocolate, right? Okay. All right, now it's for the Dollar Tree part. You guys, I picked this up thinking it was clear iridescent, but no. I think this is paper. I thought it was clear, but it's paper. Yeah, it sure is. But it's still very pretty. Look at that purple. Can you see that? I mean, it looks pink in the freaking camera, but that is so pretty. I was hoping it was clear, but you know, we could keep hoping. And yes, I'm in the process of redoing my room, so I know. Why did you buy all these things, Eileen? I don't know. But I did pick up some tissue. There's 8 count, so I figured there's 4 of the unicorns in there and 4 of the white. And then I got some of the scalloped, reminds me of mermaids, but this one came with blue. And then I got rainbows. This one is yellow. And for some reason, this kind of reminds me of like all the collections that are coming out right now. You know, if they had like a different color, like a pink maybe, it would really look very pretty. But anyway, I grabbed that. The paper collections. I mean, who knows, right? All right, so I grabbed some containers. I got this one, which is the 8-piece, the little canisters. Got 2 of those. And then I only grabbed 1 of these. I don't know why. Don't ask me. Then I grabbed the, what are these? Travel jars. They're just plastic, but I want to give it a shot because you never know what in the world we need, right? Just put our stuff away. And as usual, they had some of the containers, so I grabbed 2 of these. And let me see. I grabbed some lip balm. Let's see where the other one is, but this one is the pineapple. It's so cute, guys. And it's just like the EOS, but it's smaller. Anyway, can't find it now. There's another one. There's a different flavor. And then I grabbed some of these alpha beads. This is exactly what I needed last week for my my friend's birthday shoes. They didn't have it at the time, but now they do. So now I have 2 packs of those. I also grabbed 2 of the bag tags. I thought I got the narwhal and the cat, and then the other one that they did have was the pug. I didn't like the way he looked, so I left him there. I grabbed some mounting tape. I got the little circles. I'm just down to 1 right now, 1 of these, but there's, I think, 4 sheets in here. 1, 2, 3 sheets in here. Really, Dollar Tree? Anyway, I grabbed that, and then I grabbed another roll of the foam tape. And yes, I love these. We use these here in my house because, you know, these are handy. And these are $1. If you go to Walmart, you get the one, they made the bottles smaller also, the name brand one. I got both of them before, and this is just as good as the name brand. So I got this for $1. The one at Walmart is like almost $5-6, something really crazy. All right, in the stationery, I picked up these cute little notebooks. So this one is the bear. It's just got a little bit of foil treatment up here on her headband. And then I got the panda. Nothing too splashy about that. And then I got the owl, which is so cute. And they're just little notepads that were in the stationery aisle. So I got those. Okay, my table is looking like a hot mess again. Oh my god. Okay, the next bag. This one has florals, okay guys? This is a new flower to me. And this is a larkspur. And it comes with 5 little branches. So I got one in this color. I was trying to get 2, but my son was being very impatient with me. So I gave up. And it's the same one again, same flower, but I got pink, 2 in pink. Because you can never go wrong with pink, right? Everybody uses pink. And then I got 2 in the purple. Now, I watched Wandy's room tour, and I loved her idea of keeping her florals out on display like a little flower garden, you know. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to figure out my container for my flowers and poke all my flowers in there so that I could just easily grab it when I want them. So that's all the flowers I got. Oh, here's the other lip balm. This one is watermelon, and you can see, look, this is so fancy for Dollar Tree. For me, at least. And it's a cute little EOS. So this is my real EOS. And you can see the size difference right there. But I thought those would be cute, right? For Happy Mail. I'm running low on my seed beads, so I grabbed these colors, and I didn't have this in my stash, so I grabbed 2 of these. I got another pink, a green, and a blue, and I was hoping they had the purple, but no luck. That's okay. We'll go with those, right? And then I picked up one of these to put down on my desk, you know, to help organize my bills downstairs. So that is the only one I got for downstairs. And I have my son, like I said, with me, so he saw this in the party aisle and he wanted this little water bottle. It's not the best quality, but he wanted it, so I let him get it, you know. And then we needed some body wash, you know, body wash stuff and shampoo. This stuff smells good. This is for my son. I let him pick his flavor, and he liked this one, so I got him 2. And it's a good amount. It's 18 fluid ounces, so that's a good amount for him. And then to top it off, we got him a new loofah, whatever this thing is, bath sponge. And yeah, so that's that. And to stick with the bathroom stuff, I got 2 shaving things, shaving cream for my husband, so he has that. I picked up baby oil because I wanted to give Cruising with Crystal made her own vellum, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think she used baby oil, but I gotta watch that again. So I picked up a little, just a little jar. It's only 6.5 ounces. So I don't have a baby in my house anymore, so I had to get one. I picked up 3 of these colors here from Sassy and Chic. This is 909, and it's this little shimmery, it's got a little bit of shimmer in it. I don't know, it doesn't have a color name, does it? Nope, it just says nail polish. 909 is the number. And then I got this one, which is like a lavender. So I thought these colors would look cute with my sprinkles that I picked up last time from Dollar Tree. And this one is 911, 909, and the yellow is gorgeous. And it's 916. I thought these are so cute. If only these 2 had the shimmer. You guys can't really see the shimmer in this one, but there's shimmer in this, if you can see that. Like, this one doesn't have any shimmer. So anyway, I got those 3 to try and play. And then again with Miss Wandy, I finally gave in, and I got the little containers. I got 4. I was hoping they would have the truffle bowl, the round one that had like the little feet on it, the pedestal, but no luck. So That's what I got for the... That's what I got. The last thing, I saw some of the ladies hauling Heidi Swapp at Dollar Tree. So my Dollar Tree had this, the marquee letters, and this is the one I picked up. It's the ampersand. I don't know if you guys can even see it, but it's just a little ampersand kit. I picked that up for $1. And I don't believe they come, or yeah, they do. It comes with the light and the battery pack right here. Super cool. And the light bulbs are all over here up inside. So I'm gonna do a giveaway because I made it to 1,000 subscribers. I picked up 2, but one is for me and one is for the giveaway. So stay tuned. I'm gonna get the details as soon as I get my room straightened out and how I want it. I'm gonna come on here and I'll share with you what the plan is as far as the giveaway, because the ampersand is just one of the prizes. So that's it for my haul, guys. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you give this video a thumbs up. And thank you to all my lovely subscribers, my beautiful ladies. All of you are just amazing. Oh, so supportive and just so generous with your love. Thank you all. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And for coming back every dang day that I go live. I'm so humbled. I'm so humbled. I'm so happy. And my husband is so happy for me. I mean, I couldn't believe it. I didn't think I would hit 1,000. But with y'all, everybody supporting me and supporting each other, it just, the love comes back 10 times fold. So I just want to say thank you. Thank you again, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.